Getting the right fit is one of the most important steps in your hair system journey. Now, hair systems come in many different sizes, and if yours is even a little too big or too small, it can affect not only how natural it looks, but also how comfortable it feels. That's why measuring your scalp correctly is essential. Now, in this lesson, I'll guide you through each step to get the exact dimensions you need, making it easy to order or customize your hair system. All right, before we begin, here's a couple of things you're gonna need. A 360 mirror is perfect so you can see the front and back of your head. If you don't have that, that's okay, as long as you have a mirror in front of you and behind you so you can get an accurate look at the back of your head. You're gonna need flexible measuring tape, something just like this. We're gonna be using the inch side, by the way. And you're gonna also need a China marker or a skin-safe marker to mark your skin. You're gonna wanna start by identifying where your front hairline should be. Now, a great trick for this is to take your hand, usually 4 fingers, that's what I use, make sure they're straight and flat, put them on the bridge of your nose, cup it, almost like you're taking your temperature, and then mark it at the top of your finger, right in the middle. Another great method is to actually wrinkle your forehead, just like this. Look at where your top wrinkle is and put the line with the China marker right above that. Now, the reason you want to do that is because if your hair system is placed below your wrinkles, it'll actually affect the adhesion of the hair system to your scalp. Now, once you've marked the front of your hairline, it's important to get accurate measurements of your entire head. We're looking for width and length. Now, as you can see, my head is already shaved, so it's a bit easier for me to see where I have to measure when looking for thickness. Now, if your head is not shaved, just look for the beginning of the dense part of your hair. It's actually quite simple, so we'll go ahead and do mine. Just above the thickest part of your head. And that'll give me just about 6 inches, perfect. Now we'll get the front to back measurement, the length. We're gonna start where we made the mark earlier and go right to the back. And for me, we're looking at about 8 inches. So when you're writing those down, make sure to start with the width, follow it with the length. So in my case, we got 6 inches by 8 inches. And now that you have your scalp length and width, you now have the accurate dimensions you need to order a properly fitting system or mark your new one. And remember, if you'd rather not worry about cutting or sizing, Super Hair Pieces also offers ready-to-wear systems where you can customize the base size, haircut, and more before it even ships. I've done it before, it is awesome. If you require a full cap wig, you can find some video tutorials on how to measure on the Super Hair Pieces YouTube channel, link in the description. And now that you know your measurements, you're ready to take the next step in your journey with confidence.